Hi guys, I'm sitting here with Big Josh Vegan. We just got back from the gym. This is Josh's first time at the gym in a very long time, so he's getting back into things. We had a good workout and we're gonna eat something and then we're gonna go over to John's and do a little taste test video. But before that, I got these new things in the mail that I showed you guys in my unboxing, my last unboxing video. They're from a company called Healthy Cell. It's vegan essentials. It's all the vitamins and nutrients that you need in a day to be healthy. So if you're not eating right and you think you need that extra pickup, this might be the answer to that. I'm just starting to try this today, so it's going to be my first time trying it and also Josh's first time. I'm actually, I guess you can drink it straight out of the package. You can put it in your drink, you can put it in your smoothie.
I just gotta say, for the first time going to the gym, I'm shaking and I'm already jacked.
Well, I tried not to have him do too much of an intense workout because you never want to do that on the first day. You know, we ran for about 20 minutes and then we started our workout.
Yeah.
We kept it simple.
I'm well over 24 hours with no sleep and probably about 12 hours with nothing to eat until now. So,
disclaimer, I am not making him stay up. This is his choice.
That's right.
I actually said he should probably take a nap, but
you did.
You know, this is his day off. So we're gonna go do some taste testing.
This is my downtime. This is the time I get to get out and actually like live life when I'm not working. So let's give this a shot.
Yeah, give it a shot. Oh, you're also gonna try, hold on.
Oh yeah.
Josh is also gonna try this Ripple plant protein chocolate protein shake for the first time ever. Here's gonna be two firsts.
I'm really excited about both of these. So we'll try this first because I don't want it to be tainted. I don't want it to spill.
Yeah, you know. Is it a liquid or more of a gel? We're gonna find out.
More of a gel.
Is it?
We'll just like squeeze it up a little. Just
no, I think, is it?
Yeah, see, it's kind of like...
It's like a thick liquid, but I don't think it's straight up gel.
See it? Should I do it so you can
put
see
some on
it?
your finger so the audience can see what it actually does look like. Okay, it is, yeah, it's like a thick liquid. It's like an orange juice.
As soon as it came out of the package, it smells so good.
Is it like a citrusy or a mango?
Yeah, wow, I mean, it smells really good, but the taste, that little bit on my finger didn't really have much, but...
It's like you're a vampire sucking it right out of the package.
I'll tell you what, that taste is really good. It kind of, the first like, kind of touches you right in the back of the throat. It's really good.
So that's something that's important, especially if you're taking your vitamins and you need to taste it. The fact that it tastes really good. I'm gonna have to, should I?
Dude, I would just try it.
All right guys, here we go. Vegan Essentials Healthy Cell. This is not to be confused with Vegan Essentials, the website where you can shop online. So yeah, it's a liquid. It's not, it's more of a liquid, not too much of a gel. It's not bad. You can a little bit taste that it's, at least I can, like a little vitamin-y, but by no means is it kind of tastes like a liquid Flintstone vitamin from when I was a little kid. A citrusy mango flavor on this one. Yeah, I could see taking this each day, putting it maybe in a smoothie or something. Very easy. Perfect. Yeah, so now Josh has to try his protein drink. All right, so here we go. Ripple protein.
Yeah, I like smelling things. Should we get it so you can see it while I'm drinking it? It's not like the chocolate milk. I mean, obviously it's a protein shake. It definitely tastes chocolatey. A little thicker than the Ripple milk, which I would assume it's supposed to be. It's good.
Did you like that better than the chocolate milk?
No, I like the chocolate milk better because it's closer to, I used to drink the fat-free skim. The Ripple is actually thinner than this, but this is supposed to be thicker. So for a protein shake, it's really good. Now we go to John's.
Okay, so we just got to John's house and we're gonna do this taste test. We have the Ben & Jerry's brand new in select stores. You'll probably see it as time goes on in your store. It's the sunflower butter based ice cream. It's vegan, certified vegan, and they got 3 new flavors. I already tasted these over on No Egg Craig's channel a little bit ago. We have 3 unopened pints that we're gonna try out with these folks. So let's see what they think. All right, so we have the 3 new flavors. It's the mint chocolate cookie, certified veg, milk and cookies, and the Creme Brulee. So that's, frozen dessert. It's got burnt caramel with brown sugar cookie and salted caramel swirls. The mint chocolate sandwich cookies. And then this one has the vanilla chocolate chip cookies with chocolate sandwich cookies. It's hard to read this because of the background.
It's cookies. It's got cookies in it.
Lots of cookies and chocolate.
Wow.
So I transported this. Here's the actual professional transport. We transported this from my house, so it's a little bit thawed out now. That's
You don't live that far away.
Oh, it smells very minty. This must be the mint. Yes, of course. So I got the Netflix and chill spoon. Actually got 2 of them right here. We have a few people here tasting them. Again, I've already tasted these, so this is for them.
Oh, this is just going to be a terrible little teaser for you then.
Yeah.
Here, have a teaspoonful of ice cream. That'll help.
We have more people to share this with.
Yeah, you got to go all over Syracuse.
You know what? I totally did this wrong. I was supposed to use this cool little scooper thing here.
We have to redo. Oh, I get it.
Yeah, you know what we're doing.
Yes.
We're not gonna. We're
going to be really efficient with this.
We're not
video.
gonna have to do any dishes.
Well.
And then last but not least, we have the creme brulee. Okay, here we go. Creme brulee.
Wow, look at the color on that.
It's almost like a
How
creme
are we
brulee.
gonna know which is which?
You'll know. You'll know.
The peanut butter one is.
It's called milk and cookies. So try that.
All right,
one
here's the
first.
milk and cookies one. Oh gosh. Oh, it's good.
I was watching your reaction first.
We have Rachel from Rachel Plans. We have Big Josh Vegan. We have Kristen from the Vegan Homestead, and of course, who's this guy? I don't know.
I thought it was really good. I mean, I would need about 3 or 4 more spoonfuls to really,
That was the milk and cookies.
Yeah, that was the milk and cookies.
And that's a sunflower butter, so that's like allergen-free for people that are allergic to nuts and soy.
I thought it was really good. Really creamy.
Yeah, they nailed the cream.
Yeah.
And the cookie part too?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it was definitely creamy.
Creamy.
Good?
Very good.
Okay, let's go on to the next one.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
That's the peanut butter one?
So, if not peanut butter, caramel. John goes first.
Peanut butter.
Oh, it's fine. Sorry.
I don't want to rush you guys if you're not ready yet. Just let me know.
Yeah.
I like it better than the other one.
Okay.
Than the first one.
Is there anything specific you can taste in there?
I don't know. Not really. I like whatever the chunky stuff is. It's like,
That would be the, I think
What
the
was it?
graham cracker cookie.
yeah, it's really good.
It's definitely not peanut butter, but it's good.
It was
I like the
never
graham
supposed to be peanut
cracker.
butter.
It looks like it.
The description was not peanut butter.
It was caramel, and
yeah.
you could definitely taste the caramel. It was good. It was good. I personally like the first one better.
So in this one, I got a little goo, which is the caramel.
Yeah, the
and I
swirl.
really liked it. I think it was a good flavor, and the consistency is. This is a sunflower base too, as well.
All of them.
So yeah, the consistency is right up there with cashew milk, which is my favorite kind of creamy consistency. And yeah, really delicious. Thumbs up.
I guess we only have one more left to try, and that would be the cookies and mint.
Yeah, and I'm glad we did the mint
Oh, right, 'cause
last.
it's such a strong.
Yeah, otherwise we'd be tasting mint for all the things.
Yeah.
Good call.
I'll be ready.
Yeah. Well, I really actually liked this one a lot. The cookie consistency was good. Very minty, so if you're a fan of the mint, go for this one. And I think that's all I have to say about that.
By far my favorite. I love mint.
It's good. It's really good.
I think I like that one the best. It's minty, but it's not like overpoweringly minty. Or like that fake mint flavor, you know?
Nobody likes fake mint.
Nobody.
It's really good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's already kind of gone in my mouth.
Tastes like a thin mint.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
That's why
What
it
an ice
was so good.
Yeah.
It tastes like a York peppermint patty.
No.
It tastes like a junior mint.
I honestly like the creme brulee the best, and the first one we had, the milk and cookies, was my second. The mint was my third because I don't love the mint flavor, but I did like that one. That was probably my order.
I'm gonna have to go with the mint, then the creme brulee one, and then the cookies and cream or whatever.
I think that was what I chose too.
Yeah.
Definitely the mint one first, the creme brulee last, and the other one, I forget what it was called.
Milk and cookies.
Milk and cookies was right in the middle.
I would say mint. Do I have chocolate on my face? The mint, the milk and cookies, and the peanut butter.
There is no peanut butter. None.
I was disappointed. I thought it would be peanut butter.
This peanut butter tastes off.
The mint, the milk and cookies, and then
Creme brulee.
creme brulee.
What you
Not
thought was
butter.
peanut butter.
Can we get more?
Thanks for giving us the ice
Yeah,
cream.
thank you
And
so much.
now I have to wait for it to hit the stores near me.
It should be in stores someplace.
I don't want
Some
to wait.
places already have it.
Send us more.
Send us some.
You have or haven't had? You did, yeah. You you've had the Netflix and chill, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're-
that might actually be my favorite one.
Like
yeah,
every time we go to Wegmans, he's like, "Let's check the ice cream section."
They don't have it
I
yet.
know. Like,
And it's not like I'm gonna get it all the time. I just want to be like, it's in stores, and now I can Netflix and chill.
All right, guys. So there is the taste test of the new flavors from Ben & Jerry's. Should be out in shelves soon. Some places it's already out. Let's find out if we can find out anybody else that want to taste test these ice creams while we have them.